You don't survive a narcissist by fighting fire with fire. You survive by refusing to burn. You survive by remembering who you are before they try to erase you. I know what it feels like to question your own sanity, to replay conversations in your head, wondering, did I really say that? Was I overreacting? To apologize for things you didn't do, just to keep the peace. Let me be clear, it's not your fault. You were targeted because of your light, your empathy, your ability to love, your strength. They saw that and wanted to control it, distort it, own it. But here's the truth they never told you. You were never weak, just deeply human. You were never too sensitive, just spiritually aware. You were never broken, just under attack. See, narcissists thrive on confusion. They twist your words, rewrite your memories, and then expect you to thank them for it. It's a psychological warfare, and survival means learning the language of freedom. And here's how you survive. You stop defending yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. You document your truth, journal it, voice note it, anchor it. You pray for clarity and peace, and then take the steps that align with your answered prayers. You remember that leaving is not quitting, it's choosing you. Survival doesn't always look loud. Sometimes it's quiet tears at midnight. Sometimes it's a blocked number and a changed routine. Sometimes it's rebuilding your self-worth brick by brick in the dark. But survival is sacred. Survival is success. Survival is you saying, I may have been targeted, but I am not destroyed. I may have been broken, but I am not beyond repair. I have scars, but I am still here. And being here means I win. So to the one healing from narcissistic abuse, your story matters, your healing matters. Your comeback will be louder than their manipulation ever was. Let them say you changed, because you did. You got free.